Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in the previous video we have completed reading with our chapter number 3 from the book Beehive, okay, and the name of the chapter is The Little Girl, okay. So I hope the chapter is very much clear to you all, and in today's video we will see the comprehension part, we will solve the questions, okay. So let's begin. Question first. Given below are some emotions that Kezia felt, okay. Match the emotions in column A with the items in column B, okay. So let's see the table. So this is column A, this is column B. In column A there are some emotions, there are some feelings. So let's see. First of all, first is fear or terror, second is glad sense of relief, okay, and third is a funny feeling, perhaps of understanding, okay. So these are the feelings and we have to match these feelings with these actions, okay. So let's see. First is father comes into her room to give her a goodbye kiss, okay. So whenever Kezia's father, he was there in Kezia's room, okay, to say goodbye, to give a goodbye kiss, okay. So what was Kezia's reaction, what feelings were there in Kezia's mind? So after reading the chapter we can say that every time she was full of fear, she was full of terror, okay. Whenever her father was there in front of her, every time Kezia, she was full of fear, okay. Second is noise of the carriage grows fainter, okay. So when Kezia's father, he used to go for his workplace in a carriage, okay, and the sound of the carriage when it grows fainter, so what was Kezia's reaction, what were her feelings, okay. So उस समय उसकी feelings क्या होती थी? She was having a glad sense of relief, okay. Next is father comes home, okay. So when Kezia's father in the evening, when he was at home, then again she was full of fear and terror, okay. Next is speaking to father. So whenever she was speaking with her father, so every time she was full of fear and terror, okay, and this was the reason that she started stammering, okay. Next is going to bed when alone at home, okay. So that night when her mother, when her grandmother, they were in the hospital, okay, and she had to go to bed all alone at home, then what were her feelings? Obviously she was full of terror and fear because she used to see some nightmares, okay. Next is father comforts her and falls asleep, okay. So finally when Kezia's father, he comforts her, okay, and when he falls asleep before her, okay, then what were Kezia's feeling, what were her feelings? There was a funny feeling in her mind, okay, perhaps of understanding, okay. Last one is father stretched out on the sofa snoring, okay. So when Sunday afternoons, when Kezia, she was there in the drawing room to spend some quality time, okay, and she always found her father that he was sleeping on the sofa, then what feelings were there in her mind? She was full of fear and terror, okay. So if you have read the chapter very carefully, right, and the chapter is clear to you all, then all these questions are very easy, very easily you can match all the feelings with all the actions, okay. Next is answer the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences, okay. So let's see. First question, why was Kezia afraid of her father, okay. So in this question we have to tell that what was the reason that Kezia, the small girl, the little girl, she was so frightened, she was so afraid with her father, right. So let's see the answer. Kezia was afraid of her father because he was extremely strict and commanding, okay. So the reason that Kezia, she was so afraid of her father was that Kezia's father was extremely strict, okay, and he was a commanding person, right. He was in a habit of finding out her mistakes and to punish her, okay, and Kezia's father, he was having this habit that always he used to find out Kezia's mistake and he used to punish her, okay. He never played with her or spent quality time with her, okay. And one more thing was there, one more reason is there, and the reason is that Kezia's father, he never played with her, he never spent some quality time with her, okay. So because of all these reasons, Kezia, she was full of fear, she was having a lot of fear for her father, okay. Next question, who were the people in Kezia's family? In this question we have to tell that who were the people that were there in Kezia's family. So let's see the answer. Kezia's family had her grandmother, mother and father. Okay, so this was Kezia's family. In her family there were Kezia's parents and Kezia's grandmother. Okay. Next question, what was Kezia's father's routine, right? So in this question we have to discuss Kezia's father's routine. Okay, so what routine he was having first of all before going to his office. Okay, so every day before going to his office, what was Kezia's father's routine? Okay, so let's see. Before going to office, Kezia's father would come to Kezia's room and give her a goodbye kiss. Okay, so before going to office every day, Kezia's father, he used to come in Kezia's room. Why? Because he used to give her a goodbye kiss, right? Second is after coming back from his office. Okay, so every day when he used to come back from the office, after that what routine he was having? Let's see the answer. After coming back from office, he would ask for his tea into the drawing room and would ask his mother to get the paper and his slippers. Okay, so after coming from office, वो सबसे पहले drawing room में जाया करते थे and there he would ask his mother about the papers and he asked about his slippers. Okay. Next is on Sundays. Okay, so now we have to discuss, now we have to write about his routine that was there on Sundays. Okay, so let's see. On Sunday afternoon, he would stretch out on the sofa, his handkerchief on his face, his feet on one of the best cushions, sleep soundly and snoring. Okay, so in the chapter we have read about Sunday afternoons. Okay, so every Sunday afternoon he used to stretch out on a sofa in the drawing room. His handkerchief was there on his face. Okay, and his feet used to there wear on one of the best cushions. Okay, so in this posture he used to sleep and how soundly and snoring. Okay, so this was his routine on Sundays afternoons, right? Next question, in what ways did Kezia's grandmother encourage her to get to know her father better? Okay, so in this question we have to write about Kezia's grandmother's efforts, right? So Kezia's grandmother was very much aware about this thing that Kezia, she is not having a cordial relationship with her father. Okay, so Kezia's grandmother, she tried to improve the relationship, right? So in this question we have to write the ways, right? कि Kezia की grandmother ने क्या क्या ways, क्या क्या efforts किए थे to encourage Kezia, okay, to get to know her father better. Okay, so let's see the answer. Kezia's grandmother encouraged her to know her father better by asking her to go down to the drawing room and have a nice talk with him and to spend some good quality time with him. Okay, so Kezia's grandmother, she wanted to Kezia that उसको कुछ quality time अपने father के साथ spend करना चाहिए, then only she will be able to know her father better. Okay, and for that Kezia's grandmother, she encouraged her. Okay, क्या वो उससे क्या करती थी, क्या कहा करती थी? She encouraged her to go down to the drawing room, okay, and have a nice talk with her father and to spend some good quality time with him. Okay, and when on Sundays afternoons. Okay, she also suggested to stitch a pin cushion out of a beautiful yellow silk piece and give it to her father as a birthday present. Okay, and when Kezia's father's birthday was there, okay, so on the birthday occasion also she suggested that Kezia, she should make one birthday surprise. Okay, she should stitch one pin cushion for him और कैसे out of a beautiful yellow silk as a birthday present for her father. Okay, so ये सारी बातें वो कीजिया से क्यों कहती थी? सो डैट कीजिया जो है वो थोड़ा टाइम स्पेंड करे अपने फादर के साथ और उनका जो रिलेशनशिप है जो इतना टेंस्ड है, ओके, कीजिया के मन में जो इतना डर है अपने फादर को लेके वो थोड़ा सा कम हो जाए एंड शी विल बी एबल टू डेवलप अ बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग फॉर हर फादर. ओके, next question, write down your answers in 2 or 3 paragraphs each. Okay, so let's see first question. Kezia's efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him very much. How did this happen? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that Kezia's efforts, every time जो efforts Kezia किया करती थी, why? To please her father. Okay, लेकिन होता क्या था? They resulted in displeasing him very much. Okay, so Kezia तो efforts कर रही है कि वो अपने father को और please कर पाए जाए, फादर उससे हैप्पी हो जाए, बट उसका रिजल्ट क्या होता था, फादर और ज़्यादा डिस्प्लीज हो जाते थे. ओके, सो वी हैव टू टेल हाउ डिड दिस हैपन, राइट. ऐसा क्यों हुआ था, क्या एफर्ट कीजिया ने किया था और उसका रिजल्ट क्या हुआ था. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. Kezia efforts to please her father resulted in displeasing him. Okay, so Kezia efforts कर रही है फादर को प्लीज करने के, फादर को हैप्पी करने के, बट उनका रिजल्ट होता है डेट जो फादर है वो और भी ज़्यादा अपसेट हो जाते हैं. ओके, ऑन एवरी संडे हर ग्रैंड मदर सेंट हर डाउन टू द ड्राइंग रूम टू हैव अ नाइस टॉक विथ हर फादर एंड मदर. ओके, सो इन द चैप्टर वी हैव रेड दैट संडे आफ्टरनून्स Kezia's grandmother she used to send her down to the drawing room. Okay, why? To have a nice talk with her father and mother, right? But her father always got irritated with her. But in the chapter we have read that जब वो ड्राइंग रूम में जाती थी, so every time she used to find out that her father he is sleeping on the sofa, right? और जब वो जागा करते थे और जब वो देखते थे that Kezia is there and she is staring. Okay, so every time जो फादर है वो बहुत ज़्यादा इरिटेट हो जाते थे. Okay, and he used to call her little brown owl. Okay, so Kezia वहाँ पे स्टूल में बैठी भी होती थी, राइट, एंड शी यूज्ड टू स्टेयर हर फादर. ओके, और जब वो उस Kezia के लुक को देखा करते थे देन ही वाज सो इरिटेटेड दैट ही यूज्ड टू कॉल हर एज अ लिटिल ब्राउन आउल. ओके, one day her grandmother suggested her to make a gift of a pincushion on her father's birthday. Okay, one more incident we can write here and that is that when उसके जो father का birthday था, okay, that was about to come. So for that occasion Kezia's grandmother she suggested her to make a gift of a pincushion on her father's birthday. Okay, Kezia stuffed her pincushion with papers. Okay, so Kezia she was also very excited for this birthday surprise. Okay, she prepared one cushion, but होता क्या है, she filled or we can say she stuffed her cushion with papers. Okay, but the sheets she had torn and filled in the cushion were her father's speech for the port authority. Okay, but बहुत ही अनफॉर्चुनेटली क्या होता है, जो पेपर्स उसने टीयर करे थे, राइट, वो पेपर एक्चुअल में बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट स्पीच थी उसके फादर की फॉर द इवेंट एंड दैट वाज फॉर द पोर्ट अथॉरिटी. ओके, ही स्कोल्डेड हर एंड पनिश्ड हर बाय हिटिंग हर पाम विथ अ रूलर. ओके, सो इंस्टेंट कि वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी हो जाते हैं उस बर्थडे सरप्राइज को देख के, होता क्या है, ही वॉज सो एंग्री दैट ही स्कोल्डेड हर. ओके, एंड ही पनिश्ड हर बाय हिटिंग हर पाम विथ अ रूलर. ओके, next question. Kezia decides that there are different kinds of fathers. What kind of father was Mr. McDonald and how was he different from Kezia's father, right? So in this question we have to tell, first of all we are given with a statement. The statement is that Kezia decides that there are different kinds of father. Okay, so now we have to tell that what kind of father was Mr. McDonald. Okay, so first of all we have to write about their neighbor Mr. McDonald, that what kind of father he was, and secondly we have to write the difference. Okay, कि मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड जो थे वो कीजिया के फादर से कैसे अलग थे. ओके, सो वी हैव टू मेक वन कंपैरिजन हियर. ओके, सो लेट्स सी द आंसर. Mr. McDonald was a loving father. Okay, so first of all we are writing about Mr. McDonald. So he was a very loving father, right? He would play tag with his children. Okay, और वो loving father कैसे थे? So we have to justify our answer. So we are writing that he would play this game, that is tag, with his children. Okay, he would put the baby Mao on his shoulders. Okay, वो अपने इतने loving थे, इतने caring थे कि वो छोटे बेबी को अपने shoulders पे भी बैठा लिया करते थे. Two girls would hang onto his pockets. Okay, he would run round and round the flower beds laughing. He was very nice and friendly with his children. Okay, he was just opposite of to the Kezia's father. Okay, so Mr. McDonald he was really very loving father. Okay, he used to spend a lot of quality time with his kids. Okay, and this was the thing that was quite opposite with Kezia's father. He never punished his children. Okay, और एक और चीज जो कीजिया ने ऑब्जर्व की थी वो ये थी कि मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड के जो किड्स हैं, राइट, वो चाहे कैसे भी खेले, चाहे वो कुछ भी करे, मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड कभी भी उन्हें पनिशमेंट नहीं दिया करते थे. ओके, ही प्लेड विद देम व्हेनेवर ही वाज फ्री. ओके, Kezia's father on the other hand never played with her. He always looked angry and harsh. Okay, so now we are doing the comparison. So the comparison is that on one side Mr. McDonald he was so loving, he was so friendly, he used to play with his kids, he used to spend quality time with his kids and he never ever punished his kids, okay. But on the other hand, Kezia's father, okay, always he was so angry, always he was so harsh, okay, and he never played with Kezia, he never spent, you know, quality time with Kezia, and he used to punish Kezia, okay. Next question, how does Kezia begin to see her father as a human being who needs her sympathy, okay. So in this question we have to tell that finally जो Kezia की feelings है for her father, okay, finally those feelings changed, okay. So we have to write कि finally जो Kezia है वो अपने father को as a human being कैसे देखती है, who needs her sympathy, okay. So let's see. One day Kezia's mother became ill and she and grandmother went to hospital, okay. So ये सारी चीज़ें जो होती है कब होती हैं, so this was the day when Kezia's mother was ill and you know her mother and her grandmother they both went to hospital, okay. Kezia was left at home in the care of Alice the cook, okay. So that day Kezia was all alone at home with Alice and Alice was the cook of the house, okay. At night when Alice put her to the bed, she had a nightmare, okay. So that night when she was sleeping, she had a very bad dream, she had a nightmare. She saw a butcher with a knife and a rope, okay. And what was the nightmare about? In that nightmare there was one butcher and he was having one knife and a rope, okay. He came close to her with a dreadful smile. She could not move but cried out, okay. But to her surprise she found her father standing near her bed, okay. So because of this nightmare, Kezia, she was very much afraid, okay, and she was shouting grandma, grandma, and when she finally woke up she was very much surprised because her father was there near her bed, okay. He took her in his arms and made her sleep by his side, okay. And Kezia's father, he took Kezia to his bedroom, okay, और वहाँ पे वो Kezia को अपने बिल्कुल पास में ही लिटा देते हैं बेड पे. After some time, still half asleep, she crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm and held tightly to his shirt, okay. So Kezia, she was so much afraid, okay, that वो अभी भी उसको dream याद आ रहा था. She was still thinking about the butcher, okay. So she crept close to her father, she snuggled her head, okay, under her father's arm and she held tightly her father's shirt, okay. Now she felt comfortable, okay. So when finally she found her father beside her, then she was comfortable, okay. The father told her to rub her feet against his legs and get them warm, okay. So Kezia's father, he was also wanted to comfort her, so he asked Kezia to rub her feet against his legs, okay, and get them warm, right. This made her realize that he had to work hard every day, due to which he got too tired to play with her like Mr. McDonald, okay. So now for the very first time Kezia, she was able to realize this thing that her father, he had to work so hard every day and he was so tired that he was unable to play with her just like Mr. McDonald, their neighbor, okay. She expressed her feelings for her father by telling him that he was a big heart, okay. And finally she realized this thing that her father, he was having a very big heart, okay. She realized that her father is strict but he is having a lot of love for her, okay. And she also realized this thing that yes, जो उसके father है, he is a strict person, he is a strict father, okay, but it doesn't mean that he he does not love her, okay. He is actually having a lot of love for her, okay. She also realized her mistake that she tore the important papers without asking anyone and her father wanted to teach her a lesson, okay. And she also justified the punishment that her father gave her, okay. So she realized her mistake that yes, it was her mistake that she took the papers without asking anyone and those were the very important papers of her father, okay. And she also realized that उसके father ने जो punishment दी थी just to teach her a lesson, okay. She developed a better understanding for her father and now for the very first time she was having a better understanding for her father. She was having this feeling that his father is a very poor father, okay, and he needs someone to take care of him, okay, because she realized that there is no one to take care of him, okay. So this was for the very first time, okay. So students, we have completed the chapter. I hope the chapter and all the question answers, everything is is clear to you all. Okay, and in the next video we will start reading with our next poem. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you.